Godspeed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise.
Have you ever tasted a goat meat stew that left you with no choice than asking for more? Hello beauty family, welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's make this goat meat stew like no other. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. This is a goat meat which has already been thoroughly washed. To eat, I will season with some nicely chopped onion, curry powder, dry thyme, chili flakes, seasoning cube, and some salt to taste. Afterward, I will stir all the seasoning in to combine and then cover to simmer on a low heat for about 10 minutes to release its own liquid content. 10 minutes later, as you can see, the goat meat has released its own juice. Next, I will add a little water to it, stir, and then cover to cook well for additional 10 to 15 minutes. The goat meat we get here are not tough or very hard ones, so for that reason 10 to 15 minutes is okay. But I don't know the goat meat in your own location. If it is hard, please cook it for a longer time. This is the peppers I will be using for my pepper mix. I've got here red bell peppers, Tatashe, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, tomatoes, and some cloves of garlic. I will be roasting them in my oven. You can feel free to boil them, but for us here, this is smoky goat meat stew. For that reason, our pepper mix should be roasted to bring out that smokiness. Back to the goat meat. It is tender enough for me. I will go ahead to remove it from the heat and then set aside, or better still, separate the goat meat from the stock so I can fry it. Yeah, I will preheat some vegetable oil and add some onion inside the oil for more flavor. Now I will fry the goat meat until golden brown on both sides. You can decide to use your air fryer for the goat meat or grill it. There is no problem about that. All depends on your choice. Please, have you liked this video? If you have not, like the video as you keep watching.
Tall buildings, as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Right now, the goat meat is nicely fried. I will remove it from the heat and set aside. Now the peppers are roasted, as you can see. I will transfer them to my blender and blend off the camera to save time and then get back to you. The same vegetable oil used to fry the goat meat, I will pour some nicely chopped onion and fry until translucent. Don't mind the oil, I will use it to be frying the tomatoes. Okay, if it is too much, I can feel free to remove it when everything is done.
So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again.
Once that is done, I will go ahead to add the pepper mix and then stir everything to combine until everything is well combined. I will go ahead to add some curry powder, dry thyme, seasoning cube, and some salt to taste. Once everything is well mixed, I will cover halfway, or if you have a splatter guard, you can use your splatter guard to cover this stew to avoid splashing everywhere. Then allow to fry for 20 to 25 minutes on a low to medium heat, or until the oil settles on top. But make sure you are checking the stew in between these minutes I mentioned to avoid burns. This is 25 minutes later. This is what I've got. The stew is coming up nicely. Next is to add the goat meat broth and allow to fry for more 20 to 25 minutes. The truth about making stews like this is that you must apply some patience to get it right for you to get a very perfect and delicious stew that does not slap people's mouth after eating. You must fry it longer, because the longer you fry your stew, the tastier it becomes after cooking. Take it or you leave it, that is just the fact. 30 minutes later, the vegetable oil has finally settled on top of the stew. Next is to add the fried goat meat and some roasted garlic and ginger that I've blended. And beautiful family, the flavor of this roasted ginger and garlic took the taste of this goat meat stew to another level. Try this method for your family and thank me later. Once everything is nicely stirred, I will allow the stew to simmer on a low heat further for more 15 minutes. And here our smoky goat meat stew, very delicious, is ready. You can enjoy this stew with some boiled yam, plantain, white rice, spaghetti, or even your plain okra soup with some swallow. Try this method of goat meat stew and tag me on all social media handles like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and even on YouTube here. Please like this video, share, drop your comment, and subscribe to our channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video from me and all my crew. Thank you so much for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.